Hi, this is the final report video for project from 12, proposal number 1200198, scaling Cardano adoption in Latam, a university and incubator outreach program. The Scaling Cardano Adoption in Latam project set out to build a robust, data driven bridge between the Cardano ecosystem and the lead academic and entrepreneurial institutions in Latin America. We are proud to announce the successful completion of all project objectives, culminating in the live deployment of our dedicated relationship management platform. So, let me show you a little bit what's going on here. So, we got the platform here. Well, you can actually go to the dashboard and then you can choose your language. And as you can see, we have 864 contacts here, 754 university, 110 incubators across different countries. So divided by size, by blockchain adoption of their blockchain programs. Um, about their rankings, the points score distribution. We created a score so that we could have service level agreements depending on the relevance of the university, the maturity of their programs, the size of their universities, um, the relevance according to international academic rankings of universities and of countries, right? So then we can invest our energy and funds better supporting the most relevant universities and incubators rather than spending um, in tier D, for example, which is most of the universities. So we found out that we could spend our time better. So we have a directory, uh, people you can actually contact, numbers, emails, a little bit of information about the university. You can, of course, rank by country, or we have Argentina, Brazil, Colombia, and Mexico, which is the scope of the proposal, large, medium size, by status. So we can actually have a CRM pipeline. According this, of course, is just a demo of which university has been contacted, which is in negotiation, what are the programs, what was closed, if it was won or not, and that is regarding, of course, if they accepted our proposals for support. Okay, so in the final report, you will see that we achieved all milestones. They were all approved, signed off, and the platform has been deployed um, on the on this link, crm.latamcardano.org, and then you can find it. It's live. It's free to use. You can create your user and play around and create your own pipeline with the available information that we have here. We did learn that relationship first is more relevant. So creating the relationship really was key to be able to get through to institutions which are very very much complicated. We found a lot of bureaucracy. The content was not necessarily aligned to their interests. So we had a little bit of pivoting to do. So we did pivot to blockchain for business. We refined our entire communication package to focus on what is actually applied blockchain, right? What can you use it for really, rather than just the high level discourse of a technology which is has a lot of potential that can actually be used for. And it was key to be able to discard the low impact institutions so that we don't disperse the limited resources that we have. Okay, so that's all for our final report. This is our contribution to the ecosystem, and thank you for trusting and funding this proposal.